Akila here from mealprep.asia, and this week I made a super simple 2 meals called the Chinese chicken meal prep. Check it out. Alright guys, so here is what you need to make this recipe. You need some garlic and ginger. I've cut into half for the garlic and into thin slices for the ginger. Some chili padi, it's optional, but I love my food spicy, so it's really up to you. Also have some extra virgin olive oil, liquid aminos, or if you don't have liquid aminos, then simply light soy sauce will do. Some rice vinegar, potato starch, chicken breast, baby kailan, and some sweet potatoes as my source of carbohydrates. So if you have everything guys, then let's get started making this Chinese chicken meal prep. First things first, you need to start mixing the vinegar, liquid aminos, and potato starch in a small bowl. Mix it up and then set it aside. Heat a non-stick skillet with the extra virgin olive oil, and once the oil is hot, add in your ginger, garlic, and chili padi if you want it spicy. Mix it up, alright, stir fry for about a minute or two until it's fragrant, and then add in the chicken breast. You want to stir fry the chicken breast for about 4 to 5 minutes until it's cooked. Once the chicken breast is cooked, add in the sauce mixture. Toss it out together, mix well with the chicken. Once it's done, remove it from heat. Using the same skillet, you want to now cook the baby kailan. You don't need a lot of time to cook the veggie, okay? Maybe about 2 to 3 minutes will do until it's half wilt, especially if you're keeping this for meal prep. Once the veggie is cooked, you want to start building your meals. So what I've done is I've added in sweet potatoes as my source of carbohydrates, and then I add in my baby kailan. Top it up with the chicken stir fry, and then you're ready. 2 meal prep done and dusted. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. If you like it, I really appreciate a subscribe. You can just click on the link right here on my left. I will be back next week with a brand new cheap, fast, and nutritious Asian meal prep recipe. Till then, have a great weekend, and I'll see you next week.